Here I have Hyundai i30 and let me show you how to enable or disable driving safety priority feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now you should find the setup button. It's located right here at the bottom right corner. Now let me choose here the sound. Then from the following menu, let me scroll down and choose here the driver assistance. And here you can enable the driving safety priority, as you can see right here. So I've got this unchecked right now, but checking the box, let me do it, means that if a critical driver assistance alarm fires off, like an emergency blind spot alert or forward collision alert, the car instantly cuts or lowers your radio music to give you absolute silence to process the warning. I think it's really crucial to have this enabled, so let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.